Looking for the perfect summer shirt? I've got you covered. Reason 1. Ultra lightweight and breathable. Stay cool all day long. Reason 2. Vibrant coconut prints bring instant tropical vibes. Reason 3. Fade resistant, machine washable, and keeps its shape. This shirt pairs effortlessly with jeans, shorts, or casual pants. Ideal for beach parties, vacations, or just relaxing weekends. Regular fit and soft fabric mean all-day comfort, no fuss. No more worrying about shrinking or fading after washing. Get noticed with a stylish resort-ready look every time. Ready to upgrade your summer wardrobe? Tap to shop now. Don't miss out. Grab yours and enjoy endless summer vibes.